Okay, today is January 6th, 2025. I took one trade yesterday. Um, this is it here. I took the trade trying to go short here using this here. This is a 1 hour level. We did have buying, looked like we wanted to reject, but price stayed above. I took the sell here, probably should have waited till price got under it because a lot of volume accumulating and price stayed above it. So looking at that, probably should have just waited until price got below that level because we're in that supply zone, um, resistance zone. So with that in mind, right, all that accumulation, no strong sell. We had sells here, but as you can see, price is now like above that line. So we had buying here, and then buying ended up happening there. So if I just took my time to look around, this 1 hour level did not have any selling pressure. And then if you look at the 30 minute, also didn't have like real selling pressure. I did use the 15-minute absorption and this handle here. This was like a pink candle, I'm not gonna lie, so it was like kind of like selling. But the 1 hour dominated it in a sense. All right. So with a 15-minute level, 1 hour level, 30-minute level, I mean 1 hour level. So it was a level with that had multiple interest, but price just could not hold. And as you can see, price could not reject it, I would say, and price ended up going higher. So something to keep in mind. So today I'm going to set up. I did not set up yesterday's news. I think there's no news today. Look like we have news today now. Trump is speaking, but I didn't set up yesterday's news. I want to see what price did around yesterday's news. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. Open up this here and throw a news in there. This will be 26:01:05 and then 10 o'clock. All right. So apply, and we're going to zoom out, and then let's see price. So I took my trade here a bit after the news came out. So I probably just needed to wait, and you can see that price kind of held news towards the end here for a little bit. But price was very shitty. This is pretty shitty price action. NQ gave us more movement. As you can see, a lot of movement. Thought NQ was going to reject very nicely, but and push ES down. But because he had a nice rejection here, but ES, look at that, all the way down here. But ES did not want to follow. And then VIX also was at a bit of a support area. You see VIX went up, and Q kind of rejected, but ES did its own bullshit. Here it had a nice little rejection, but it's still probably still trying to figure out what the hell it wants to do. So, alright, so with that in mind, we're going to go through the same thing. Let's go through the weekly. Weekly's already been set up. Daily, I want to hit the high and lows under the 30-minute time frame. This is an area I wanted the price to come down to. I don't think I have anything here for this. So we are in this 4-hour area, kind of holding. Not exactly sure what price is trying to do, but it might be a rejection area, but this is very unclear. 1 hour. And the market opens up in 12. So we still got this here and here, kind of between the support and a resistance level. Strong push, no volume out of this candle right here, which is interesting. But we do have something going on right at this area. So I'm going to mark that, and we'll see if we have anything there besides it being news. 30 minutes. So there might not be anything for me. No, I don't don't like any of that. Maybe this here. It's a 15-minute. Not feeling this. This can go. Alright, so right about there, 15-minute, maybe. Go, we got selling and then prices bounce. Five-minute. Very unclear. Price kind of cleared that. 1 minute. A lot going on. Alright, so maybe the 15-minute time frame here, but I don't know. Not really feeling most of this things here. Let's hit the high and the low, and then we're gonna call it for this one. Like that. Okay, and then let's go to settlement price first. Okay, let's go NQ. Let's do daily. For this is new. This from yesterday. 1 hour. 30. Yeah, see, that's still holding, right? And Q would have been a better one to trade. Had better opportunity to actually get something out of it. 15 minutes. So this area here, maybe. I think it lines up with this here, right? This is direction with this high on VIX. We got 5 minutes. Let's do the high and low over here already. So we got the high, and then have the low. I think this is the low, right? Boom. All right. Now 5 minutes. One minute, nothing. Okay. Settlement price probably be the same thing. Settlement price is 25577. 25577. Yeah, right here. So that's cool. All right. And let's do VIX, and then we'll call it here. So with VIX, I need this to be 2. And then we're going to hit basically the 30 time frame. Just looking for the high and the low. The high was way over here. And the low was way down there. I still can remove that one. Alright, so that's basically it. Alright, so that's it for today. We'll see what comes of today's work. I don't think we're going to get much. This is still looking very